Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex Day trade setups for today. So Euro USD smashed through the level we were looking at yesterday with Russia attacking Ukraine, and then we had a pretty solid bounce. We've had a pretty solid bounce through the indexes as well as the world responded with sanctions, not war. So if we get down to the hour, opinion that I have is still the same. We are trending down. We should be looking for areas to sell off, and there are two distinct areas. One is right where we are now, that's 112.086, and if you look at the oscillators are lining up quite nicely for a potential turn, and then obviously higher up here at 112.721, and just above that is the next breakout level, which is here, and that is 112.895. So quite simple. Where we are at the moment is a great opportunity, and I would go as far as to say that is your range at the moment. Break above, retest, you're long, stop below it, and you're looking for the next level. Break below this, you're short, stop above the range, and you're looking for actually just put in what we're looking for, and it would be pretty much there, which is 111.207. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen. So eventually kind of started heading in the same direction as the Euro USD, and we were all over the place to start with, and I think right now we have a level here, but I'm more interested in that level, which is 115.210. If we drill down to the 1 hour, you'll see that was the previous breakout. So you can see we started falling yesterday, and then immediately, well, not immediately, but rather late in the session, we started climbing as the West started reacting to Russia. So pullback here, looking for an opportunity at 115.210, or alternatively just a little bit further down at 115.118. 115 would obviously also be something of interest, but pay attention to this 115.118. Lots happening here, plus the 155 EMA on the hour, so that would be a pretty decent area for us to look for longs. Moving on to the British pound Japanese yen, and we had a bit of a sell-off here. Question is, we've got a crossover. I don't like the way the oscillators are looking, so we're looking for a pullback onto structure before we even start thinking of shorting here. And I just want to put these three levels in, because those are the three levels we need to pay attention to. We get down to the hour and nothing really changes. So 155, 145, 155, 312, and 155, 512 or 500. So that is the area that I would want to see another leg up. So we've had a good leg up, consolidation, second leg up into this space. That would be an opportunity for me to get back in short here for a move back to the downside, and at least to come and test these lows again. Lastly, Euro British pound, and a bit of a mess this one. I think this is probably wise just to stay out of it. We do have this big weekly support here, and again we tagged it yesterday at 0.83136. Oscillators all starting to group back to the upside. We are testing the moving averages. Problem is there's tails to the upside, there, tails to the downside. This week has been a bit of a mess. So what we're looking at the moment, if you get down to the hour, you can see big up, big down, big up, big down, but we are trending up. So that would be the line in the sand on the hour, and that's 0.83541. If we find support in this area, and it's not going to be exact, it's probably between there and this diagonal trend line here. Well, it'll consolidate in one area, so this is the area you need to pay attention to, 0.83541. Price gets back into here and we start holding, we're looking for a move up. Don't like the way the oscillators are on the hour right now, so I want to see the oscillators sort of roll over, come touch the bottom like it has here, and then look for an opportunity for a long. If we start breaking through this trend line and we start rejecting this area here at 0.83541, then I would expect us to come back down and start testing these levels at 0.833 0.355 and ultimately 0.3136 on the weekly. Now this one, I think, of the three pairs is probably the one I'd sit on my hands with. The other three are offering some opportunity. I think Euro USD is the one that's going to offer the most, because that's the one that is the volumes are going to be higher in that one as the traders start watching what's happening in the Ukraine. Anyway, that's my view this morning. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.